Nestled along the banks of the serene Wadi Hanifa, there stood a majestic city that whispered tales of ancient glory. This city was Ad-Diriyah, a historic jewel in the heart of Saudi Arabia, whose rich history drew travelers from around the world. Visitors seeking tranquility found solace in Ad-Diriyah's verdant gardens, where lush palm trees swayed gently in the breeze. The scent of cardamom and saffron filled the air as aromatic spices wafted from the bustling souks, tempting explorers with their exotic flavors. Today, Ad-Diriyah is an admired UNESCO World Heritage Site that welcomes visitors from all over the world. Its timeless beauty, along with its people's warm welcome, makes it a notable destination for visitors seeking a look into Saudi Arabia's rich tapestry of history. So, if you ever find yourself in the land of sand dunes and ancient tales, make sure to venture to Ad-Diriyah, lose yourself in its vibrant culture, discover the hidden treasures at every turn, and let its stories weave their magic around you. Ad-Diriyah waits, ready to transport you to a world of wonder and discovery. Saudi Arabia is tapping its potential of becoming a major international tourism hub, one of the leading hospitality institutes that enables the country to flourish as a new tourist destination is Enchantments. We offer a range of programs and courses designed to equip individuals with the necessary skills and knowledge to thrive in the tourism industry. We take great pride in taking part in Saudi Arabia's booming tourism industry. Welcome to Saudi Arabia.